So today we are going to cover everything you need to know to get started with an AI automation agency, get your first paying customers, no money out of pocket, no paid ads, no cold calls, nothing like that. I'm going to reference my school community here. This is free, links in the description. And we got about 200 members in here or so far, 199. We're getting there, almost 200. You can be number 200. So the first thing is, right, what are we going to sell? What's the offer? Well, we have what we call the AI Trinity. And this is essentially the three services that are going to be what's called a foot in the door offer. Foot in the door offer is something that you can easily sell. And then they call it land and expand, where you can get in the door. And then as you build a relationship, you can expand into more higher value things if you want to. You don't have to, but it's an option. So in the AI world right now, there are three services that are crushing it without question as foot in the door offers. They are AI chat, AI phone, and AI reviews. So the AI chat is simply the chat widget that will go on their website. It's trained on the business website. It's trained on information about the business. It's connected to their calendar. So people can book calls. People can get their questions answered. Unlike the old school chat widgets where it would just say, leave a message and someone will get back to you. Nobody ever used those. Okay. So the AI chat widget's one thing. Keep in mind, this is good if the business has a lot of website traffic. Okay. And there's a reason why we specifically choose the certain types of businesses that we sell this to, because they do have inbound traffic. All right. AI phone. This is going to be probably the lowest hanging fruit regarding getting the most money right away for businesses, because about 60% of calls are missed for small businesses across the US. So you can look it up. So this is going to be, especially for higher ticket stuff, kitchen remodeling, things like that, just local home service businesses, plumbers, electricians, whatnot. If they miss a call, that could be $1,000 job, right? And I got other videos on my channel where I break this down, but this is going to be a huge one. It's very easy to set up. So if they miss a call after hours, or if they miss a call during the day, or if they just want to get rid of an after-hour call center that they're paying a ton of money for every month, this is going to take care of all that stuff, right? The last thing here, and this is a big one, is the AI reviews. So obviously you go to Google Maps and you look up a business, right? You're going to look at the reviews. So the AI reviews, you'll see some businesses have like thousands of reviews, and then like right next to them, they have like, 100. It's like, well, why? Well, the one that has thousands is running a system like this. They're not sitting there, on their phone, hey, leave me a review to 10,000 people. So you want to have an automated review system for these businesses. So that way those review requests go out. And then when people leave a review, the AI replies to that review. That's a big thing, that the AI replies to the review in context, right, of what was said, because then Google sees that as a signal of, hey, this business is involved in their Google business profile, which increases their maps ranking. And then when other people are looking for that business service and they see, oh, look, they replied to their reviews, right? It shows trust that this business cares about the customer experience because they care about replying back to the reviews that are left. And you can have it different tonalities and whatnot. I have other videos. I'm going to put links in the description down below for those other videos on my channel where I break down how to set this system up. It's pretty awesome. So these three things are very, very important for a foot in the door offer. Okay. That a business owner can understand, because people don't buy tech stuff. You go and try to sell business owners, oh, I got a bunch of like AI automation workflows and all this stuff. Their eyes just going to glaze over and they don't care about any of that. Like, how are you going to make me money? That's all they care about. Oh, you're going to solve this problem that I already know I'm losing money from? Great. Let's do that. Very easy, foot in the door offer. AI Trinity. Here it is. Chat, phone, AI reviews. All right. So let's jump back here. So then it's like, all right, cool. Now we know what to sell to start with, right? To start, this is very important. This is all about starting. Okay. Scaling is different. This is getting your first paid clients. How do we get them, right? These other gurus online, oh, you got to do, cold call and like, DMs and cold messaging and all this stuff. You don't need to do any of that. That is all a terrible way to live. It's a bad experience for you as a new business owner. It's a bad experience for them because nobody likes to be called all day. I've done it. I've cold called thousands of businesses. I ran a call center. It sucks. It just sucks. It does. So we don't need to do that, right? What you can do very easily, and this is a tried, proven way, is to simply talk to business owners that you already have a business relationship with. Maybe you're already their customer, right? Your own locksmith, your own barber, your own mechanic, your own HVAC guy. Okay. Any business, it could be a restaurant, whatever. You already know them. You're already a paying customer. You can simply say next time you see them, or you could text them if you have their cell phone number, or you could call them, or you could just show up. Business owners appreciate it if you take the effort to, I've done it myself. I've driven through Main Street and gone door to door. Okay. It has value. if you can go in there, and as far as what to say, all those scripts and all that stuff is all also in the school community. There's tons and tons in there. So, they appreciate it. If you can go in and show your face, hey, I'm local. Hey, I got this. Let's get you set up with some Google reviews, voice AI, phone system, whatever it is. That goes a long, long way. We're not talking about necessarily all 100% online stuff. You might have to go out your back door and go see some people if you really, really want to scale. I'm just trying to be real here and tell you what other people don't want to tell you. Okay. But not just business owners, you can have friends and family. And the nice thing about that is that actually becomes a referral. And what I mean by is so say about the AI Trinity, right? You have your offer and you go to your friend, your cousin, your aunt, whatever, and maybe they own a business or obviously have their own businesses that they deal with. They might say, oh yeah, my mechanic, I'll let them know that you have this. And that becomes a referral. So there's multiple layers to that onion where you can grow out and never have to run paid ads, never have to cold call a single person, never have to cold DM anybody. You can literally just grow organically through a warm market because once the businesses have your system in place and it's making them money, business owners talk all the time. They will help spread the word with other business owners. And now you have organic word of mouth happening for you, just like they do for themselves. Every business owner loves word of mouth. You're a business owner as well. And that just grows and grows. And you can have a massive customer base and never spend a cent on paid ads. If you really want to grow and scale after this, you can go into paid ads, you can go into content. We cover all that in the training. But again, this is about starting and getting your first paid clients. These are the steps that are best for that. Okay. So now that we have what we were going to sell, we've got who we're going to sell it to. And we say, okay, well, how do we get them set up and onboarded? Right. So we're coming to here, lesson 5. Right down here, we have service delivery. So I have other videos that go into how to set these up, but the idea is primarily for the AI chat, you would deploy the chat widget on their website. It's simply a little snippet of code that you can give to them, to their web developer, or you can do it yourself if they give you access to it. Not hard to do at all. It can train on the website. You just give it the website and the AI chat will train itself. All right. So the next one is the AI phone system. This is probably the easiest of all of them to set up because you literally just set up what's called conditional call forwarding. And basically you train the AI on everything, and that's in the software, the AI software. And then you set conditional call forwarding to where when a call comes in after it rings so many times, instead of it going to voicemail, it would go to the AI agent for after hours. I have demo videos on my channel for that. And you could also have it pick up right away if you want, depending on how they want that to work. Once the AI answers, it can either book a call directly on their calendar. It can take a message and send that information directly to the business owner's cell phone, email, all that stuff. There's a million ways that you can configure it, but the AI voice agent is number one, really. It's just absolutely crushing right now. There are people that are selling this in like group demos at like local chamber of commerce, BNI meetings, things like that. And they're landing, 10, 20 businesses in one shot at like $500 a month for this service. It's actually really crazy, but I don't want to throw stuff out there that seems unrealistic, but there are people doing that. And the AI reviews, you log into the software, you connect it to their Google account, you set up how you want the bot to reply, and it will take it from there. So very simple. All right, guys, it's really not any more complicated than that. Everything else is in the school community. Go ahead, jump in there. You can message me if you want. I'll reply back. And so that's pretty much it. I hope to see you in there. Later.